is a fact. At least once in your life, your sink will clog. Be it in the bathroom sink or the kitchen sink, it happens. When it happens in the kitchen, it's usually because of food, oil, and other residues that end up in the sink. In the bathroom, the sink clogs mostly because of hair and other products that get stuck in the drain. Most people opt for chemical solutions, but since we prefer natural things, we will show you 5 homemade solutions to safely unclog your sink. 1. Baking soda. Put 1 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda in the drain. The amount of baking soda varies according to how clogged it is. Let it act for 1 minute and pour 1 cup of white vinegar over the baking soda. Let it sit for half an hour until a bad-smelling foam comes out of your drain. Pour hot water over the sink to clean it. 2. Dish detergent. Did you know that many times the kitchen sink clogs because of fat inside the plumbing? If that's your case, you can solve it using only detergent and hot water. First of all, drain all water that might be accumulated in your sink. After that, boil 169 ounces of water and mix it with some detergent. Pour the hot water over the drain and wait until your sink naturally unclogs. Are you liking this video? Give it a thumbs up to help our channel. And don't forget to share these tricks with your friends. 3. Coca-Cola. It may not be the most natural of all solutions, but most people have it at home. Did you know that Coke and other cola-based sodas can help you unclog your sink? Cola sodas have phosphoric acid, which can easily dissolve the fat in plumbing. There are many stories of people who successfully unclogged sinks and toilets using just soda. Do you want to know how to do it? Little by little, pour a 67-ounce bottle of Coke over your drain. Wait and watch your sink gradually unclogging. 4. Salt. You certainly have this product at home, and it can help you unclog your sink. Just put 1 cup of salt in your drain and pour boiling water over it. While the water drains, close the drain with a cloth, applying some pressure. Remember to use gloves to not burn your hands. 5. Clean the siphon. Did you know that cleaning can prevent this problem? Sometimes the sink clogs because of all the dirt accumulated in the siphon. If that's your case, put a bucket under the siphon to catch all the water and dirt that may fall as you unscrew the siphon. Clean it with a sponge and neutral detergent. Easy, isn't it? But better than knowing how to unclog your sinks and drains is preventing it from happening. See some tips to prevent it. Avoid combing your hair during your bath or over the bathroom sink. Remove all grease from cooking utensils with a napkin before washing them. Never pour oil directly in the sink. If you have pets, remove all their hair from clothes before washing them. Last but not least, always check beforehand if the draining is all right. If you catch a problem right in the beginning, it will be easier to solve. Do you have another trick to teach us? Share your opinion in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.